Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be reviewing hair lace wig for you guys, and I'm so sure you guys are gonna like it. Number one, because of the company, of course. Number two is because of the type of hair and how beautiful it looks. I went ahead and did my edges off camera, and I also tucked away my hair under this stocking cap so I could dive right into it. The hair I'm going to be reviewing today is from one of my favorite company, no lie, UNice. I really love the hair, it's so good. In the box, along with the hair, I got this headband. I also got this stocking cap, which contains 2 in the pack. And I got a second headband that was stuck inside of the bag with the wig. So this is the wig. It's 24 inches, it's water wave human hair wig, and it's a headband wig. It is so soft and tangle free. My fingers could just run right through it, as you can see here. I love how beautiful the curls are. They look as if I already added products on it, which I did not. On the inside of the wig, it has this really nice wide clip in the top, which I usually don't see them this wide, and that's a great thing. And on the sides, it has 2 smaller ones. It also has another one in the back, so it has 4 clips in total, and then it has the bands on the side that's gonna, hold the hair on tightly to your head. So this wig has everything you need to hold it nice and firm onto your head for the entire time you're wearing it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on to see exactly what it looks like on me. First, I secure it with the clip in the front, and then I attach the strap in the back before using the clip in the back to secure it also. Now that I have it securely in place, I'm going to go ahead and change my top so I could put a headband on to match it. I do have a leopard headband, but I felt like going with the floral one was the best idea, so that's what I did. They have the same color, just not the same pattern, so it basically worked out, and I'm only going to be going with this headband today. I'm not going to try both of them. So now that I adjusted the headband in place how I like it, I'm just, fluffing my hair a little bit, fix it up a little bit, and, see how I like it. And so far, I like it. I just have to put my earrings on and I'm good. And here you have it, guys, the beautiful 24-inch water wave headband wig from UNice. I still, up until this time, haven't put any form of product in it, and I did not put any product in it for the entire time that I wear it. I mean, isn't she lovely? Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she beautiful? I just love this unit. It is given what it's supposed to be given, and I'm here for it. But as usual, guys, I love your opinion, so I would definitely love to hear it. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, if it's something that you would wear, because I'm telling you, I'm really feeling it. Make sure to use my discount code to get some money off your purchase when you purchase from them. I'll link that in the description box below, so definitely check that out. I went ahead and brushed it to the side a little, and I actually really liked it. So yeah, you could definitely go ahead and play with it, create your own little unique look. Not because it's a headband wig, don't think it's limited. There are a lot of styles you could create with a headband wig to make it look very versatile or unique. If you find this video was helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!